Hi students, and welcome to Data Science Module 4, Data-Driven Decision Making. Now this module is where we start moving from the learning concepts to actually thinking like analysts. Because at the end of the day, businesses don't pay for data, they pay for decisions. They want better decisions, faster decisions, and decisions that can be defended. Now why this model matters is most organizations are sitting on a mountain of data, but they still operate on gut feelings, habits, or whatever talks the loudest in the meetings. Business intelligence is how you change that. BI is the system and the mindset of turning raw data into usable insight, then putting it in front of the right people at the right time. If you want a very simple definition, BI is the decision-making support at scale. Now this module also focuses on data storytelling, because insight doesn't matter if you can't communicate it. A dashboard with 14 visuals doesn't mean anything if nobody understands what actions to take. And we'll touch on blockchain, not as hype, but as a way to think about trust, transparency, and decentralized data systems. So what you're going to learn in this is by the end of this module, you should expect to be able to explain what business intelligence is and how it supports decisions in real organizations, describe how data is organized for BI using concepts like data warehouses and data marts, understand what makes data storytelling effective, how you turn charts into meaning and meaning into action, explain the basics of blockchain and why different forms traditional and centralized databases. Why it is different forms in centralized and uncentralized databases. Then we're going to identify where blockchain actually makes sense and where it doesn't. Now what you need to do this week, you got to follow the module workflow in order. It's not a stress test. We always start with our pre-quiz, we jump in our lecture, our readings. That's your foundation for your vocabulary and deeper concept. You're going to read your case study and get into there with your 1,000 words. You're going to do your Power BI work, where you're going to build some skills that translate directly into real-world reporting and analysis. And then you'll finish up with that module exam. Now, as always, check the pacing schedule. Everything is always due by the posted deadline, and it's always going to be Friday at 5 p.m. or a Friday at 5 p.m. And, as stated many, many times, late work is not accepted, so make sure you get it in ahead of time. So your final takeaway for this module, Module 4 is about learning how organizations turn data into direction. Your job as a future analyst isn't to make charts. Your job is to answer what's happening, why it's happening, what should we do next. All right, everybody, get started in Module 4, stay ahead of deadlines, and reach out early if you get stuck. Otherwise, have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.